So this horse's 2-year-old birthday is next week. I don't ever start them before their actual 2-year-old birthday, but I do start them about that time. So what I want to do, we have been driving him, we've been sacking him out, we've been ponying him. It's time to get him ready for somebody to step up on him. I'm not going to be the one to step up on him. I'm going to have one of these girls that works for me do it because they're smaller and lighter than I am, or I'll have my granddaughter do it if she wants to. I don't think this horse is going to be any problem to start. And he is ready. He's ready mentally. His mind is ready. That is the next step in what we're going to do. He knows how to drive. He's been ponied. Whoever gets up on him, we will do it with him ponied off of Bob. I've done a couple of videos on that, I believe, or at least one. We have ponied him a good bit, so he knows where he's supposed to be in relation to the pony horse. He's standing at the mounting block. So this horse is ready to ride. So by the time when I do the next video of him, it'll be with somebody on his back. Not sure just who yet. It'll either be one of the girls that work for me or maybe my granddaughter if she wants to do it. She has started, but she's put a first ride on a couple of them for me and a couple of her own. So we'll see, she might want to do it. So this is Denali, and that will be the next video that you see of him. That's what he's ready for. Until next time, thank you for watching.